welcome back. So today I'm going to show you how I created this beautiful box from Dollar Tree products. So if you're interested on seeing how I created this, just keep on watching. I'm taking this box that I picked up from the post office and just cutting it into the shape that I want. Guys, these are the candle plates that I picked up from the Dollar Tree, and what I'm doing is just lining these up so that I can trace my shape onto the cardboard. I'm going to add some additional support to my cardboard here by just adding an additional piece of cardboard to it. So yeah, just like that. Alright guys, I'm going to start adding my mirrors on. I'm just placing some hot glue on the back here. Now I am not going to take off the feet just because I don't feel like wrestling with them, but if you would like to, you could definitely do that. Okay guys, so I'm going to now glue the bottom on to my box that I made here. And I don't need this to be very sturdy because I'm going to be putting fake plants inside of here. So it should hold up just fine for what I needed to do. Okay, so right now I'm just going to make some little feet on here. So next I'm going to be adding these mirrors that I picked up from the Dollar Tree as well. I'm going to lay them this way as opposed to lining them straight up and down because I want to also add some bling on there. So, and I think it'll be easier for me to do that if I have them this way. So now what I'm going to do is just add this bling onto my edges here. So guys, this is how it turned out. I do hope you have enjoyed this little video. And if you have, don't forget to subscribe to my channel as well as hit that notification bell. And I'll see you next time. Bye guys.